Today I'm going to show you my new compressed air duster by Sukadar. This is a cordless product that has a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery and supplies 91,000 RPM. There are numerous possible uses for the compressed air duster. One important one is for cleaning computers and on computer keyboards. There's no need to buy compressed air cans when you have this product. So to use it, you just press and hold the power button, hold it for about 3 seconds to power on. It has an LED light, which helps a lot with some projects such as computers, and it can also be used on piano keyboards. Very easy to use, and in cars where dust collects on the screens and then the gear shift console. Very lightweight, cordless. We have a RoboVac that generally works great, but the air filter needs to be cleaned frequently, and it's difficult to do. Using the air duster makes the job easier than any other method that I have tried. It can work for 20 to 30 minutes on a charge, and it can be charged via the Type-C cable, which is included with the product. In addition to the brush attachment and the regular attachment with the tube ending without the brush, there are 3 additional attachments included, which can be used to add air to inflatable products such as toys, balls, neck rests, that sort of thing. So overall, I'd say that the Sukadar compressed air duster is a very handy product, cordless, lightweight, lots of power, and there are a multitude of uses for it, such as keyboards, computers, piano keys, lots of projects in your automobiles, lots of projects around your house. Thanks for watching.